Trust only in the Force. Hello everyone and welcome back. I am MancBasTurd. I hope that each and every one of you that are watching enjoyed the holiday season, because this year I most certainly did. Before I go into why though, if you're new to the channel then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell to make sure that you receive alerts and notifications for new content as and when it goes live on the channel. Now every Christmas, my wife, MancBasTurd, will ask me what I would like as a gift. Now normally I'll just say an item of clothing or aftershave, because quite frankly, half the time, I don't know what I want. I don't normally need much, and Christmas is a time of year where we tend to focus mainly on the kids. But this year, MancBasTurd well and truly knocks it out of the ground as far as Christmas gifts go. Sometimes there doesn't need to be a convenience aspect or a usefulness to a gift. Sometimes it can just be something really fun based on a hobby or an interest that you have. Now, I'm a huge nerd, and in particular Star Wars amongst other things. This year, my wife bought me a freaking lightsaber. Now I've wanted one of these things for years, but I've never been able to justify getting one for myself, but MancBasTurd well and truly came in clutch and got one for me. This is the Lorsaberus Lightsaber from Amazon, and for anybody wanting a lightsaber on a budget, this thing is fucking brilliant. Let's open it up and take a look at what you get. Now, the first section that we're going to look at here is the 11-inch lightsaber hilt, made from polished aluminium, most likely manufactured inside a CNC lathe. The saber goes into 3 parts, the first part of which comes away like so from the bottom of the hilt. Now there's 2 sections of screws on there. Interesting fact, if you buy 2 of these from Amazon, you can actually connect them together, and at which point you get yourself a Darth Maul style double-bladed lightsaber. How fucking cool is that? Moving on to the second part of the saber that comes away is the middle section. It's a little bit squeaky on coming through. Obviously this is only the second time I've brought it away. Which reveals the inside of the chassis. Now what you've got at the bottom here, that's the speaker that emits a sound and a rechargeable battery, and on the inside that connects through to the LED light that has 12 interchangeable colours. You could be anything from Luke Skywalker to Anakin Skywalker to Kylo Ren or Darth Vader, Qui-Gon. It depends on your colour preference of your lightsaber. So many colour options available. At which point you have the final section of the saber. That's where your power button is, and that's where your recharge port is. And at the top there is crafted, and on the inside you have the LED lights. Next is the 32-inch blade, made from high impact polycarbonate with a 2mm wall on the inside. The saber also comes with a USB power cord, an Allen key and 4 very small screws which I've enlarged on the screen for you. They allow you to fix the polycarbonate blade into place at the top of the saber hilt. It's easy enough to put together, and you're ready to go within minutes to continue your journey fighting Sith and droids and whatever else you might want to hit with your lightsaber. Not your kids, social services will be on your back. I'm going to fire this up, but to give you an idea truly how much light emits from the blade, I'm just going to briefly kill my ring light. Here we go. Now looking at the camera, I don't think that could look any more real. It's so fucking beautiful. I mean, on camera as well, in that lighting, that looks like a real fucking saber. I mean, it's a lot brighter. I mean, just to give you a brief idea, I mean, this is the sort of effect that you get. So here's a deflection sound. You get a flash in the saber as well when you do it. Okay, so cool. So if you'll notice there's a sound emitting. The blades are quite strong. They're made from thick polycarbonate, so you can give them a bit of a whack. And you will notice that it picks up on the sound effects as well. They're quite sturdy, they're quite strong. Simple enough for cosplay, whether you want to muck around with the kids. Ludo sport as well. These things are great. So glad I've got one. So here's the cool features. Let me just turn back on the ring light and then we'll look at some more cool features. And see my pretty face. There we go. So the first thing you'll notice is the saber's blue. You can change it, it's interchangeable with the colours. The way that you do that, you hit on the button 3 times. Red, yellow, and it will interchange on this setting, so it'll rotate slowly. Whether you can fully make that or not, so we've got pink now, into red, and so forth. So if we hit the power button again 3 times, it will change more directly across the various colours that are available in the RGB light. Here's a nice cool little setting. I'm going to kill the ring light again just so you can get a bit of a rough idea. Finally, flame mode. That just looks dangerous. And then we can go back into the saber rotation of the colours and we'll end it there back on blue. And we'll de-ignite the saber. Now the Lorsaberus Lightsaber is currently available on Amazon. Link is available in the description below. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch, and if you do decide to get one as well, I hope you have just as much fun with it as I'm going to have with one. I look forward to seeing you again soon. May the Force be with you.